It's been a dream of mine to have my own place to do whatever I want, to design however I want it. And this actually feels like a dream come true. So this is our living room. We just renovated it to make it more relaxing and more inviting since we're spending most of our time here. We thought might as well decorate it to something we'll be excited to wake up to. Most of our furnitures are from Undo Home, which is a brand my husband and I created after we got married. I've had this vision of designing and selling my own furnitures, and the entrepreneurial side of me decided to make it a business. Aside from using this space to exhibit our furnitures, we decided to rent it out to small business owners like me. I always use this area to shoot for our brands, for my personal social media accounts, and we think it would be nice as well to see how other brands would interpret this place to make it their own. We actually have two parts of the living room, and this is my most favorite part of the house. I love how the natural lights reflects on this side, the high ceiling especially. I love making contents here. We also spend most of our time here watching a movie, lounging on the most comfortable sofa ever, and basically the highlight of the whole house. On the other side is my selfie spot. This is where the big mirror is, the customized table, the French door, all the plants. I use this area to shoot our products, to shoot contents, and this is where I also work out. Behind the French door is our clean kitchen, our dining area, and my coffee corner. Our dining table is a custom piece from Undo Home. This is where we eat, we do wine nights here, and what I love about this table is the shape and the color. The oval shape actually stands for Undo. I am very excited to share to you my mini coffee bar. As you all know, I'm a big coffee enthusiast, and whenever I would travel, I would visit a lot of cafes, do cafe hopping, coffee tasting, which my husband could attest to that. Let me show you our favorite spot to lounge in. We reside in my in-laws compound, and this area is the backyard which is connected to our house. This villa is owned by my husband's family, so we go here every afternoon. We host family dinners here, birthday parties, anniversaries, and when we just feel like taking a breather. This is the pool area, the gazebo, and this room is part of the villa where we do sleepovers or we spend movie nights with our family. Inside this room, you'll see the custom-made bed frame and the mirror side cube table from Undo Home. Our house is a combination of me and my husband's style, which is modern, mid-century, and minimal style of interior. I'm very passionate with designing, from clothes to furnitures to basically anything that I lay my eyes on. So when I had the chance to design my own blank canvas, I just went for it.